guys, and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing Walmart slime versus Michael's slime. So recently I've been to both Walmart and Michael's, and I've seen a lot of really cool slimes there lately, and I just thought it'd be fun to compare Walmart slime versus Michael's slime. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take you down to my slime area where I can go ahead and pick out my supplies. And here are the slimes that I'm going to be reviewing. So to start off with the Walmart slimes, the first one we have here is made by Compound Kings, and it's called Oddly Satisfying Mix and Mash, and this one was around $12. I thought this slime looked like a lot of fun because you get to mix in a bunch of different color foam beads, and I was just really excited to open this one. This slime has a very nice and thick texture, it's super nice and stretchy, it has great clicking noises, and it also has really nice bubble pops. This slime does feel a little bit rubbery because it's so thick, but other than that, I really like this slime. I just love all of the glitter and foam beads, and I just had a lot of fun with this one. So here's the next Walmart slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is called Cotton Candy Fluffy Slime, and this one was around $5. This slime has such a cool texture. It feels a lot like clay at first, but then when you stretch it out, it fluffs up just like a cloud slime. I've never really felt a slime like this before, and it was just so much fun to play with. The slime also has a really nice grape scent to it as well. I really like the unique texture of this slime, and I would definitely recommend it. So here's the last Walmart slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is called Orb Slimey Fruit Stations, and this one was around $5. I thought this slime looked super fun because it comes in a super cute cupcake container, and I was just really excited to open this one. This slime has a super fun and unique texture. It's super nice and stretchy, it has great bubble pops, and the slime also has a really nice fruity scent. The slime doesn't really make any clicking noises, but other than that, I really like this slime. It has a super nice and squishy texture, and it's a lot of fun to play with. And now moving on to the Michael slimes. The first one we have here is called Glitter Putty, and this one was around $2. This putty has a super nice and thick texture. It has great clicking noises and it also has really nice bubble pops. The slime is kind of hard to stretch because it's so thick, but other than that, I just really like this slime. I just love all the glitter in it, and the slime also had a really nice lemon scent. So here's the last and final slime that I'm going to be opening. So this one is called Orb Slimey Unicorn Rainflow, and this one was around $15. When I saw this slime in the store, I thought it looked like a lot of fun because it's a 3-colored unicorn slime, and I was just so excited to open this one. This slime has such a fun texture. It feels very similar to the Fruit Station slime from earlier. This slime is super stretchy and it also has really nice bubble pops. Again, just like the last slime, it doesn't really have any clicking noises, but other than that, I had so much fun with this slime. I had a lot of fun mixing all of the colors together, and this was definitely one of my favorite slimes from this video. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below which slime was your favorite. And again, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And be sure to check out my Instagram page. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!